channel. It's your host Rihanna Ellie, and today we're back at it again with another motherfucking video. As you can tell by the title, I'm not just doing another story time because I'm kind of getting tired of doing them, and also I don't want to fucking run out of stories. So we're going to be doing something a bit different on my channel. Why are my pillows like that? We're going to be doing something a bit different. We're going to be doing a what's in my emergency kit video. So if you're a boy, or if you're just living under a rock and you don't know what an emergency kit is, it's basically like, it's self-explanatory, like it's a little kit for emergencies. And the type of emergencies I'm talking about is like, for females, for example, if you start your period, or if you, like, I don't know, like I've just got a lot of things in my thing. So let me just hurry up and just show you. So this emergency kit is from Primark. It's really big, it's got a lot of space. And I needed a big one because I've got like a lot of shit in here, and I think this was £6. I'm not sure if it's still in there, but you know, look. And as you can see, it's got two parts, because obviously you can see two zippers. So we're just going to be going in the first bit quickly. I already know what's in here. Everything else I forgot what's in the top, but I know what's in the front. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so alright, two things just came out. So obviously I've just got a spare face mask just in case like I lose. The sun is so bright I don't even think you can see it, but you know what a face mask looks like already. So just got a little face mask or whatever. Coronavirus. So I just got a little face mask or whatever. Let me put it here. Yeah, just got a little face mask, you know, cute, basic, whatever. I've personally got face masks to go with all colours of my outfit. I only wear like black, blue and white. Yeah, I only wear black, blue and white and grey, so I need to get a grey face mask. But yeah, but this is just in case I lose them, or if I drop it, because I drop my face mask every fucking day. Not every day, I mean every time I use them. So you know, this is just in case. And or it's like more time when I'm going somewhere with my friends, my dumb yes guys, I'm talking to you, you lot are fucking stupid. I'll go to the shop with my friend and they'll kick us out the shop because my friend doesn't have a face mask. We're in the middle of a pandemic and why would you leave the house without a face mask? Come on, do better. So this is probably more time. This isn't even for me. This is for my dumb ass friends. So I just have a spare face mask in my emergency kit. Let's move on. Right. So, oh, my lip gloss. All right, cool. Let me put it over here so you lot can see it. This lip gloss, as you can see, is basically fucking done. But this is the only brand I buy now. I love it so much. I actually love. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm moving like they're not even paying me. They don't even know who I am. So let me just shut up. But this, what's it called? It's called Jelly Lippies by Kiss. I don't know. And I've got the RCLG01 or clear, says that on the back. This is such a good lip gloss. It's really sticky. At first I used to hate sticky lip gloss, but now that's the only ones I wear. So it's really sticky and it smells so fucking good. It smells like sweets actually. Yeah, I don't know what sweet. It smells like gummy bears. That's it. It's because I don't really eat gummy bears like that. I hate Haribos. But this smells like gummy bears. This is just like, as I said, it's an emergency kit. So say I lose my lip gloss and I can't just quickly run out and buy another one. I've got one on me. So as I said, I use it. I love it so much that there's not really that much in there. There's like, you can't even see how much is in there, but it's not that much. Okay, wow, the lighting is horrible. Let's continue. So I think this is the last thing I've got in the front. Yeah, I've just got two spare Vaselines. This one's open, this one's not. I don't like these ones. I only like the brown one. If you wear the red one, why? Like, why? It's so ugly. Anyways, yeah, so this is just an emergency. As I said, I barely wear it. The only time I wear the Vaseline is if I put on Vaseline before I go to bed, but I don't wear it like in the street because I don't want to touch my lip like in public. That's disgusting. But this is just in case like my lips are really dry and my lip gloss is done or whatever. So yeah, let's continue in the video. So now we're getting to the exciting bit, okay? The big bit. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, don't ask me why it looks like that, Ibuprofen. I've already used, well, I don't use them actually. This is like for my friends. This is mostly for my friends. Like, it's not even really for me because for some reason my friends are always in pain and they're always asking me for Paracetamols and Ibuprofen. So this is for my bitches and my niggas or whatever. How much comes in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Is there another packet in there? No. Okay. So yeah, this is just in case like I'm having cramps or if I'm feeling my stomach's hurting or You know what ibuprofen is for? It's just if I'm in pain, in it, or if somebody else around me is in pain and you know I don't want to see you suffer because you're making too much noise, I'll just give you one of these. Let's move on, okay? So the second thing I'm pulling out is allergy pills. I have hay fever, but my hay fever is not bad. It's not really that bad. But my friends around me, their hay fevers are really bad. Some girl, she asked me for this the other day. Asked me for one of them, sorry, the other day. So this is mainly for my friends. My hay fever is not that bad as everybody else's, like eyes watering and all of that. That's not me. But yeah, that's what it's basically, hay fever tablets. So yeah, let's move on. This, you have to have this on you at all times. It's hand cream. I got this from the dollar store. No, I'm joking. I got this from Poundland. Oh yeah, everything, probably everything that's in here is from Poundland. This is just hand cream. It smells really good, I think. Hold on. Yeah, it smells really good. No, I might have a bit dry. Let me use some now, you know what I'm saying? But like, say you wash your hands and your hands get dry, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, or if your hands are just dry in general, if you're just a bit ashy. I never get ashy, but you know, it's mostly my hands. So some hand cream. Okay, so the next thing I just pulled out of my emergency kit, vagina wipes. Oh my gosh, this is just in case I start my period and it's not just for school. Like, I personally will carry this around, like if I'm going to my friend's house or like whatever. But say I start my period and you know I just need to wipe, like I can't get in the shower because I'm not at home or something, or just in general, like say like I just don't feel like wiping with tissue because I don't know, I feel weird. Okay, yeah, why am I telling you that? Anyways, wipes for your vagina. Let's move on. So the next thing I'm pulling out is some Paracetamol. Again, it's basically dark. No, wait, no, I've got 4 left. Self-explanatory. If you're in pain, if I'm in pain, if my friend's in pain, whoever's in pain, don't worry, I got you. But let's move on. The next thing I'm pulling out of my emergency kit is hairbands. And yes, I know this is not for my hair color. None of my friends have this hair color, but you know, I just like these ones because they're really thick and they're not that hard to break. Hairbands, just in case you know you have a hair emergency. I personally don't have like hair emergencies like that, so this is, again, these are all for my friends. Like, this is just, or just people around me. So this is just in case. I'm not looking forward to cleaning up my bed. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, cool. So the next thing I just pulled out is hand sanitizer. Again, it's from Poundland. Very basic. This smells really good, you know. It smells like peaches. I don't think they meant to do that, but it smells. Wait, let me make sure I'm talking about the right thing. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I didn't even mean to make that noise. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. So this is hand sanitizer, in case your hands are dirty. You know, like. Oh my gosh. Wait. Next item. Next thing I'm pulling out. What is this? I actually got this from Harrods. Hold on. I was with my dad, and we were looking around like all the Harrods shops. I don't know, like the shops that are in Harrods, and then they had these, and I think they're really cute. Like it's hand sanitizer, by the way. I think you just like, I've never actually used them before. I don't know. You just, I broke it. Oh my god. Oh my day. Wait. Oh, what the fuck? That's next thing. Okay, the next thing, and I know a lot of people don't really carry this in their emergency kits, but I think you should, is a granola bar. A granola bar? We're not in America, babe. It's a breakfast bar, whatever. I love Nature Valley breakfast bars so fucking much. They're so good. So this is just in case, like, you know, you forget to eat in the morning and say you don't have any money on your account, or you don't have enough money to eat in the morning, or this doesn't even just have to be for the morning. Like, this is it's not very filling, but like, say you're starving, this will hold you over for like another hour. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, so this is just in case like you're hungry and you ain't got no money. You know what I'm saying? Let's continue. Okay, do not get onto me, yeah? Do not get onto me. But I have a toothbrush and toothpaste. It's actually a travel toothbrush and toothpaste. It's really cute. Look, oh my gosh. So a lot of people keep asking me why I have this in my emergency kit. I don't know, you know. I just saw it in it's from Primark, by the way. I just saw it and I picked it up. This is just in case like I'm eating in school and someone's like, and then I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, let me quickly run to the toilet and I don't know why I did that. Moving on. Next thing we're pulling out. Pads. Hold on. Pads. Wait, one more time. Pads. Oh my gosh! Imagine if I was in a commercial. Wait. Does your vagina bleed 24/7? Oh shit! I went behind the bed. Okay, let me just shut up and let me just continue. Oh, I went behind the fucking bed. Pads, you know what they're for, your fucking period. This is just in case I get my period in school or just in general, like if I'm on my period and I need pads, I can just go in my emergency kit and get some. Right, so I don't know if you lot are like this as well, but I'm just a person that, like, I have my days where I'll literally not look at any mirrors, and then I've got my days, I'll take like 26 million snaps. By the way, add me on Snapchat in the description box down below. Anyway, so I'll take like 45 videos on Snap. I'll look in all the mirrors. I'll take snaps on my friend's phone, and I realised, why the hell don't I have a mirror? So I got one. So I just got a cute little compact mirror. This is from Poundland. No, it's not. This is from Primark. You know, it's really cute. I wish it was black because, you know, I wanted everything to match my bag. But whatever. This is just a cute little mirror from Primark. Whatever. Just a compact mirror. You know, like a nice. Do I look cute? Let's continue. So this is an already open pack of soothers because I used to just, when I was younger, I used to just eat soup. Oh my gosh, you know what I used to do when I was younger? Yeah, you see them extra strong mints and Halls. I used to just, Dad, can I have £5 please? And I just used to go eat them like they were food. Don't ask me why. And I also used to do it with soothers as well. Like I used to eat soothers like it was sweets. So that's why it's empty. Half empty. Okay. I don't really like this flavor, but like still, like I'll just eat it like I'm hungry. I have to stop doing that because it's kind of weird. I don't even know how I got my mouth like this. This kind of looks scary. Let me just eat one now. Just eat one now. Nice. Very nice. Say you start your period in the middle of school or just somewhere that's a bit inconvenient where you're not in your house basically. You can't just, oh shit, I'll start my reds, wash my knickers, go in the shower and I'm out and put on a pad, whatever. I've got 2 spare knickers. These again are from Primark. These are the period knickers, girl. These aren't, I don't think, no, I've not worn these before. But these are the period panties, girl. These are the granny panties, alright. I feel so weird showing this on YouTube. I don't know why, but it's just like, it's not nothing weird. Like everyone gets their periods in it, and everyone that identifies as female, wears knickers. Like, do you know what I'm saying? So I recommend wearing dark knickers on your period because I don't know how you lot are brave enough to wear like white knickers like on your period, but whatever. If my mouth looks weird, I'm eating the soother. So this is just some fucking panties, just in case, you know, I get my period or I shit myself. But yeah, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this whole video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment and fucking subscribe. Please get me 200 subscribers before the end of October because you know I deserve it. You know my content's funny. You know I'm just a down-ass, real-ass motherfucking bitch. You already know, and you know I'm funny. You already know. And you know I'm just cute. Like, look at me, bitch. No makeup, no hair done, and I still can take your man looking like this. No, I can't. No, I can't. Thank you again, though, seriously, for watching my video. If you've watched it all the way up to here, thank you so much. Thank you for the subscribers, all the nice comments that you lot leave me on my videos. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. I was going to say add me on YouTube. Why would I say that? But make sure you add me, guys. If you have any questions about any of my story times, hit me up. If you want to know anything about my story times, hit me up. If you want to know where I got all my stuff from, if I didn't mention it already in the video, hit me up. If you just got any sort of questions, I'll try my best to answer it. If you DM me, message me, whatever. Thank you again so fucking much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Make sure to subscribe, bitch. Bye.